In this video, I'm going to show you how to come up with endless cover design ideas for your notebooks, and we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can use to come up with endless ideas for your notebooks. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, this is StackinProfit, and I bring out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So I'm going to show you two different ways that you can come up with endless design ideas for your notebooks. One of them is just by using Amazon itself. So when you're on Amazon, you want to come to the search bar and you can type in t-shirts for women, funny t-shirts. Let's do funny t-shirts. Let's go women's funny t-shirts. So now this is going to bring up a whole bunch of ideas that you could potentially use. And I'm going to show you how to go even deeper and find more design ideas. So let's have a little look through this, see if anything pops out. I run on coffee, chaos and cuss words. That would actually work really well on a notebook, and that is the coffee niche. Let's see what other niches we can find. May contain wine, so a wine niche as well. Scroll down even more, another coffee one. As we can see, that's ranked just over 5,500 in clothing, so that sells fairly well. Scroll down more. Let's have a little look. Jolliest arseholes, I like that. My flex, that's the fitness niche. So already there's a few different niches that you can make notebooks in. Let's scroll back up to this one. So this is ranked 13,000 in the clothing store. I run on coffee, chaos and cuss words. So you could potentially take this quote, this saying, completely change it, because you don't want to copy it. You want to copy the phrase, but you don't want to copy the style. Okay, so just remember, when you're doing research like this, never copy the exact design. Always make it your own. So let's just open this up in a new tab. Then I'm going to show you how to find more quotes or more design ideas in the coffee niche. So what we want to do now is just go to this store. We're going to have a look at some of their other designs as well. So let's have a scroll. They have 754. We can see what niches this person is selling t-shirts in, and see if there's any good niches that we could create notebooks around. So let's scroll down. As I said, that's the coffee one. Another thing that you can do, what I also do, is I have a little tab just here, and as you can see it says ideas. So if I do that, you can see I have a lot of different design ideas I have already found through my research from doing this. So by doing this, like we take this, we'd put this into the folder, just the link to that URL, or just that URL. Then when I go to create a bunch of covers, I always have designs I can look at and completely change around. So that's a top tip for you just there. So if we scroll down, we can see a Christmas one, another Christmas one. What's this? Another Christmas one. But you can do this, go through their listings, see what niches they're selling t-shirts in. Because if they're selling t-shirts in a certain niche, then you can more than likely create a notebook or a journal in that niche as well and sell them. So if we just scroll back up to the top, let's go to the coffee one. So like I said, with this coffee quote, this coffee saying, you could take that, rearrange it, change up the fonts and put it on a cover for a journal or a notebook. Now another good way to find design ideas is simply using Google. So once you've found a niche, let's say for this instance, this coffee one, then you can go over to Google and type in coffee quotes. Coffee quotes. You can either put in funny coffee quotes for women. There's so many different variations that you could put in, but then all we do is look at the images and see what there is. Now, right off the bat, there's so many ideas here that you could create notebooks around. Now remember, don't go and take these images and whack them on a cover. What you want to do is take these quotes, these sayings, and completely redesign them in Canva. Now let's head back over to Amazon, and what we can do is go up to the search bar and put in coffee t-shirts to get some more inspiration and some ideas. So let's have a little look. Straight away I can see Daddy loves coffee. You could probably put that on a notebook as well. That would actually probably sell. As you can see, so many ideas. Now, just by using these two methods alone, you should be able to come up with an unlimited amount of cover ideas. And doing it this way, you can come up with some really great niches as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.